this is going to be a quick video, but I wanted to show you guys what my one broccoli plant is looking like. I'm about to get some seeds, y'all. Okay, then I'm about to get some seeds. I can't wait. Like, look how swollen up this one is. I don't know why that one's curled up, but you know, whatever. But I can feel like the seeds in there. I'm so excited. But a lot of these, the other ones still have flowers on them. And then this was my spinach plant. Just still waiting for that. What is this? Radishes, carrots. I don't know what that is over there. Radishes, carrots, and oh, beets over there. But I had to come over to my sister's house and cover everything up because the temperature is going to drop in the south. In freaking April, the temperature is going to drop. I just put a lot of things into the greenhouse. I am hoping that the temperature is going to be okay in here right now. I don't know if I'm reading this correctly. Does that say, is that saying 60 or 70? Like, I need a digital one. But anyways, I put basically all of my spring/summer ones in here. Some of them did start to die. Like my, I think it was my cucumber plants. I'm trying to find them. Oh, back here. These are, oh no, these are squash. So you see these ones back here? I'm like, oh no, I'm too late. It wasn't like super cold today, but I guess too cold for squash. So I had to hurry up and come and put things into, even this one is looking sad. I had to come and put things into the greenhouse. So hopefully they generate enough heat for each other. There is like a little bit of ventilation. So there's like a crack right here because we still haven't fixed this. And then also when the door is closed, it's cracked as well. So not a ton of ventilation going on in here, but again, hopefully it's enough for everything not to die. There's things under here. Yeah, I don't know what is what. For every vegetable plant that I planted, I put marigolds in it as well. For my tomatoes, I put about 3 marigolds in there simply because if you guys been following me since the last year, my tomatoes did horribly. These are the ones I got for 98 cents from Home Depot, so we'll see what happens with those. But I put 3 marigolds in with that one. This is a smaller pot, so I only put 2 in that one. And oh, I didn't put a marigold in here with my squash. What am I doing? I'm slacking, y'all. Apparently I forgot to put it in for all my squash. I just realized that. Okay, but my cucumbers and also my zucchini has it in there. Yeah, I don't know how I forgot the squash to put marigolds in with squash. But anyways, I will do it. I will do it. Yeah, so I am hoping everything survives. Please let everything survive because I don't have a big enough blanket to cover up the greenhouse. But anyways, you guys, so I wanted to show you guys the grapevine. It's covered up as well. It's turned green again, although it survived the whole winter. So that is what that is looking like. I am going to pot it into a much bigger pot, and also I am going to put like trellis it. So we'll see what happens with that this summer. Under here, I still have my collards going to seed, and also I planted tomatoes back there. So yeah, I had to cover this up. These tomatoes I got from my, how about to say farmer's market. I got them from the garden nursery. The name of the place is Farmers Exchange, so I always want to say farmers market, but I got it from the garden nursery. I also have onions in this bed. I am going to put some marigolds in here as well, and just waiting for these to go to seed. Like I said, this was what is this? This is oh, I done broke these ones. Look at you, Evita, get it together. Oops. That's because I put that this thing on it. Let me see if I can just cover up the tomatoes and not the collard. Because, I mean, the collards are going to be good with the cool, how cool it gets. So, let's try to just cover the tomato plants up without having to break the collard and the, also, what else is, oh, wait, did I forget to leave? I just realized I forgot to leave kale. Oh, well. I think I forgot to leave kale. Anyways, there we go. That's much better. Cover this stuff back up too, because I am not trying to lose anything. Let me know if you guys are going to get a cold front as well. But yeah, I think that's about it for today. I have nothing else for you guys. Nothing really going on. I did plant a lot of stuff. Yesterday was Monday, and I also did a lot of stuff on Sunday. I just did it. I didn't want to record myself. I needed to focus on actually up-potting a lot of stuff, and it took me forever. But I got a lot done. And I'm so excited. Anyways, you guys, that is all that I have for you today. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys all in my next one. Bye. I honestly did not know what to expect. I literally thought everything was going to be drooping. There are a few things drooping in here. If you guys want to know what I'm talking about, check out my previous video. So this is cucumbers. They're not doing so great, bless their hearts. But I am about to leave this door open because it's not going to get below 30 tonight. So we should be good. It's interesting. The ones on the bottom are fine. I don't remember what these flowers are called. So this is cucumbers as well. Zucchini's doing sad. Okay. And I didn't have time to come, or I didn't have time to come and open them up this morning because my son is done with the army and he had family day there, so we had to be there bright and early. Oh, these need some water. Fix it, Jesus. Let me go ahead and switch these out and give these things some water. I have said it so many times, but I'm so excited about this growing season. I don't know if you guys are excited, but I'm so excited simply because I have a whole lot more knowledge thanks to all of you. So you guys know I am so very thankful to all of you guys helping me out in the comments. Let me know what I should and shouldn't be doing. The way I want to thank you guys is I want to give away a raised bed. So I did post it on like my community page here on YouTube. It will be live. I'm going to give it away live. I'm just put whoever joins, whoever says they want to enter, I will just put your name in like a jar, and then I'm just going to go ahead and pull out the names, and whoever name I pull, of course, wins. But you do have to stay on the live for a little while. We'll just chit chat for a little while, give everyone time to actually join, and then I will go ahead and start taking names for everyone who would like to enter into the giveaway. If you guys are wondering about what the giveaway is, I'm sorry, not what it is, but what it looks like, I did again post it on my community page here on YouTube. But yeah, that's just the way I want to tell you guys thank you for helping me out on my journey of gardening. But anyways, you guys, right now I'm just moving all of the plants back and forth. Well, it was sort of back and forth because I was picking up some of the wrong ones and forgot some, but I'm moving them so that they can be bottom water. The ones that I picked up from the garden nursery, they were extremely dry. So that's what I'm doing now. Where could I get some really good trays? I purchased some a while ago that were really good. I got some that were really bad, and I don't know where I purchased the ones that were really good from. So if you guys have like an online store I can purchase them from, let me know in the comments down below. All right, so I already know. I'm gonna get somebody ask me, why didn't you just water this tray? This tray has holes in it. All of the water would have just seeped out. This tray does not have holes in it. And these are like extremely dry. Some of these are like super dry. Somebody put some water in here. This is so weird. I just watered all this stuff. Or it just rained the other day. I think looks like I'm gonna have to water everything. Bruh. All right, let me just accept this. These were sitting in the water, so these are fine. I don't need to water my marigolds. Oh, I forgot about you. Didn't even see you there. But I don't need to water the marigolds, so I'm gonna let those sit right there. And I'm gonna water everything else. Probably not gonna set my camera up, cause yeah. And I don't have my rain boots on today. I guess I could get mine out of the garage. Can't feel like changing shoes though, but everything needs to be watered like desperately. All right, so I just took off the covers on this stuff. The garlic, potatoes, marigolds, strawberries that aren't growing. And also my beets right here I had covered up. And then back here is the grapevine. What's in this? This is onions, tomatoes, and I think that's it, because this stuff is going to seed. I'm waiting to get some seeds from this stuff. But I think that's all that I have in here. What else can I put with onions and onions and tomatoes? What else can I put in this bin? Because I don't want it to go to waste. So I did already amend it when I pulled my kale and also my collards up. This stuff I did not water. I'm not sure. Oh, look at this little cutie. That's so funny. I don't know where that came from. But anyways, I don't know if I'm supposed to be watering this stuff or letting it dry out. So yeah, I'm gonna need for y'all to let me know in the comments down below about that too. Here comes a plane. Okay, like I was saying is I'm gonna need for you guys to let me know, am I supposed to be watering this, or am I just letting it supposed to be drying out or whatever? Because this one is doing a whole lot better than these ones. These ones, I don't know what these are called, but the long thingies, the long green thingies, right, like right here, are still small compared to these ones. I can tell that they're already getting seeds in them. So yeah, I can already tell that these are getting seeds in them. But of course, they're so green. Probably maybe next month I will be able to get some seeds from them, which will be May. We shall see. We shall see. I don't even remember what this was. Spinach. This is spinach. I'm like, I don't know what this is. Spinach. And this one is like, we about to keep producing leaves and everything. But yeah, I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. I know that I need to wait until I pull the little, I don't know what they're called. Pull these thingies, the spiky looky things, until they basically look like this, but dry out. I know that. So that made me think, okay, I'm not supposed to water anymore. If I am correct, let me know in the comments down below. But if I am not correct, still let me know in the comments down below. All right, you guys. That is going to be all for today's video. Another short one. Tomorrow my son actually graduates from the Army. Today was just family day. So I told him I will cook his favorite meal. So I have to go home and make a lasagna for him. But if you guys enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you all in my next one. Bye.